afternoon, my dear.
How are you?
Alhamdulillah, I am fine. I am on, and you?
I am also fine. I am Abdullah. Where do you study?
I study in Taqwa Islamic Public School.
Wow, in which class?
I study in 5th class.
What are the qualities of your school?
Alhamdulillah, name of my school is shows help us to learn Taqwa and the writing of Islam.
How it helps?
My principal is an Islamic scholar. He advises us to learn Islam.
MashaAllah, how many prayers of you offer?
I offer Zohar prayer in school and remaining at home.
In this way, they refuse. You have to watch movies, dramas, and songs.
He is refused, but he allows us to Islamic programs.
Why is allowed to play games?
Yes, he allows us to our teacher play with games.
Do you play? Do you play all games?
Yes, I play in every games.
Do you get good marks?
Yes, I got good marks in every test. Today my annual result.
Can I enjoy this day?
Yes, I enjoy this day. Just wait and watch.
Really, dear?
Yes,
Dear, I want to study your school.
why not visit my school as early as possible?